Hello everybody, this is in Singapore Rifle Range Nature Park. One thing for sure is this place doesn't have a rifle range, and I'm going to take a walk around here. I have walked this entire area, zigzag bridge up, and continue walking. And we're aiming to go up there. Out from there, yeah, and then over here and then up. Panoramic view. So all the way is quite an easy walk until this little challenging bit. These are the restrictions, and they have a maximum capacity of not to exceed 20 people. So this is Coluga deck, and we can head back down again. I heard from the beginning, when it first was constructed years ago, there was such a long queue all the way down the steps, and you have to queue for quite a while before you can come up. However, they did not limit the time that you can spend in there. I heard that this stream is very nice in there, but there's a no entry sign there, and apparently some people have gone in there, taken some beautiful pictures, but they got into some kind of a trouble because they're not supposed to go in there, no trespassing. So I would try my luck. Okay, what are they doing? They say there's fish in there. Where is the fish? This stream is interesting. They've got to be careful. Every single junction you see all the signboards which are quite clear, and you can decide which way to go to. This way, I came from this way, and then now we're going that way. They're all very similar, so you have to watch out carefully, and I have to watch my steps. So I just exited from the park there, and it says do not feed the monkeys, so there should be monkeys here. Oops, cannot. It's really interesting because we see durians everywhere, but I don't see them on the trees, so I've got no idea how the durian tree looks like. When I first started, we went this way, we made one big round, and then I came back up this way, and then now I go back downwards. Hi, so I hope you like this video of this rifle range nature park, and I'm right here at the Mayfair Park. Just like to say goodbye to you, and thanks for watching my channel. Kindly like, share and subscribe. Bye bye.